Build SOC in order to build SOC. Because what customer is expecting today, most of the organization, unfortunately, build SOC in order to build SOC. Because what customer is expecting today, what we clearly see how the behavioral is changing, what the demand is changing, they don't really choose in between different technologies in most of cases. The decision-making behavior and consumption behavior changing to more, if you will, SLA-like solution. I'm less care what is inside, I more care how it works in a high level.
Correct.
What I'm getting out of that, what's kind of burden of OpEx, CapEx, or operational workload it will take from me. And also, I think one of the key
OpEx, CapEx plus ROI. This is what we have not addressed well enough today, or so far, is really how can we help by implementing our solutions and services to drive down costs for the customer.
No, absolutely.
Yeah.
Actually, the proposal we have is beautiful now, right? The SOC powered by Kaspersky proposal, how we call it, is in reality as simple as help customers who invested quite a lot of money into build security operations center to start monetize it with a better ROI through the quite a make sense investments into threat intelligence and professional education and trainings we provide. It's very expensive things. Once you build it, you cannot stop it.
True.
You have ongoing costs in order to monetize it. What can you add? You can add proper threat intel, proper set of threat intel. You can get well-trained people, and another challenge is the people attrition and turnover. Means you need to have a supplier like Kaspersky, for example, who can provide you guaranteed quality and very agile in terms of the number of hours needs to train the newcomer to be capable to do malware analysis or digital forensic or any other or incident response, for example. And I think another one which probably also never been properly valued by the customer, but now getting more and more prioritized, is to get proper second line support and incident response.